Alright, hello mathematicians. Here's an example I have for you on how to do one similar to number 1 on the homework. If you need some extra help, we're going to look at this problem, how to solve for y, and then write 3 ordered pairs that are solutions. Alright, so what can we do here? Now remember that when we want to solve for y in a literal equation, or an equation with more than one variable, our goal is to isolate that variable. So we want to isolate y. That means the first thing I'm going to do is add 2x to both sides. We want to get everything on the other side that's not y. And when we do that, we obtain 7y equals, these are not like terms, 4 plus 2x, so I just write them next to each other. Next, I'll divide everything by 7y to get the y by itself. This 7 and y are attached by multiplication, so I divide by 7 to get rid of that. When you multiply or divide both sides by a number, you must do so to every term. And when doing that, we get y equals 4/7 plus 2/7 x. And if you wanted to write it in the more familiar slope-intercept form, you would have y equals 2/7 x plus 4/7. Okay, so that is one solution to the problem, or the first part of the problem. Just to clarify, you could have this as an answer that I'm circling in blue, or you could have this as an answer. Both will be acceptable. Now, how do we find 3 ordered pairs that are solutions? Well, quite simply, remember an ordered pair, x comma y, is a solution if those values make the equation true. So how do we find these? Well, the easiest way is just you get to choose the x and solve for the y. In other words, you get to pick some x values, and you can pick whatever you'd like. Okay, so I just moved to a new page here, so we have a little bit more room to work, but I'm going to start choosing my x's. First, I'm going to let x equal 0. That's usually the easiest number to plug in and get an answer for y. When x equals 0, y equals 2/7 times 0, I'm plugging that in for x, plus 4/7. And that just equals 2/7 times 0 is just 0, so it's just 4/7. So when x is 0, y is 4/7. That gives us the ordered pair 0, comma, 4/7. Next, I'm going to let x equal 1. Again, you can choose whatever you like. But when x equals 1, y equals 2/7 times 1 plus 4/7. This is 2/7 plus 4/7, which is 6/7. So y is equal to 6/7. And therefore we have another ordered pair when x is 1, y is 6/7. The problem asks us for 3, so we're going to find one more. I'll just let x equal 2. Again, you can pick any number you like, 3, 4, 5, 17 billion. You can pick whatever you like. But I'm going to choose 2. And when x equals 2, we have y equals 2/7 times 2 plus 4/7. We do the math carefully here. This 2 is really 2/1, so that's 4/7 plus 4/7. And y is equal to 8/7. So we have a third ordered pair when x is 2, y is 8/7. And that's how you can find as many ordered pairs as you need to solve problems like these. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching this video example.